All right. Hello guys. Hello guys. Good evening everyone, and welcome to this live stream. I want to show you guys a very simple strategy that I've been using for my trading sessions. Okay, this is a strategy I've been using to build small accounts, like to grow small accounts, and I'll show you this strategy is worthwhile. Like it's it's very effective. It's very effective. So it's simply the breakout strategy. It's quite easy to understand, very easy to use. I've been using it and I've been talking about it. I've been posting about it as well. Remember, this is the alpha trade. So if this is your first time of coming across our video or coming across the alpha trade, you are welcome to the family. If you check the description box or the comment section, you are going to see a link to our Telegram channel. That is the easiest way to be a part of this community. Okay, after you've subscribed to our YouTube channel here, you also should join our Telegram community. That is where you can reach me directly, chat with me, tell me anything you want. That's where you can get my WhatsApp contact. That's where you see our past activities. That's where you join our challenge or anything that comes up within the alpha trade community. Okay, so check the description box or the comment section. We are going to see a link to join our Telegram. Thank you guys. So let's quickly go on with this. Let's quickly go on with this strategy. I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to briefly and quickly show you guys how it works. Obviously, this session is not going to be long. It's not going to be a lengthy one, and I'm going to try my best to make it understandable. Okay, so I would also like to see in the comment box, the comment section, also like to see I also like to see you guys comment. Let me know what's happening in your end. Let me know if my voice is coming out clearly, and if everything is coming out very well. Okay, if everything is okay, I would like to know that, so I won't end up wasting my time. Okay, so let's drop our comments. Let's know. Let me know what is going on. Are you able to get what I'm saying? Are you able to hear my voice? Are you able to see my screen? That's the most important thing. Are you able to see my screen? If you are seeing my screen, then that'll be very good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Good. Okay, so I want to know that. I want to know. Okay, so I believe my screen is visible. Okay, so this is it. This is it. I'm going to show you guys how this breakout strategy works. Remember, trading is a game of psychology. It's a very dicey stuff. and it's something that requires determination. It requires determination because you are going to see the ups and downs of trading. If you are someone that maybe you heard about the massive profits someone can make via trading, you heard the juicy part of it, you heard the good part of it, you did not hear the other part of it that someone can also lose, and you jump into trading, you might find it difficult. You might begin to feel discouraged when you lose one or two times. But as it is in every business, trading is not an easy job. There is risk in it, okay? There is risk involved in trading. So that is one thing you should bear in mind. But with your ability to learn and continue learning, you will always improve. You will keep improving. As long as you are willing to continue learning, you will keep improving. And as I always tell you guys, it will only get better. It can only get better. The people that face the worst thing is people that give up. Okay, those are the ones that stay defeated. The people that give up, they are the ones that are generally defeated. But if you don't give up, you will never be defeated. That's how life is. Okay, so this strategy is a very simple one. It's a very simple one, like I said. Now, what is this breakout strategy? What is this breakout strategy? First of all, I will define the breakout strategy as a strategy that makes use of the knowledge of support and resistance, and the knowledge of trend line. It is based on trend line and the support and resistance. Okay, then when price moves out of the zone, when it moves out of a support or a resistance, and then goes back to retest it, that's when you make your entry. Okay, so it's all about you seeing price break out of a support or a resistance level, and then it comes back to retest that same level, then you make your entry. That's how it works, guys. So that's how it works. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to take advantage of it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to take advantage of it so that you can trade profitably. Like I said, I've been trading this strategy for long. This is jump 75 index, and as you can see here, I took this trade. Actually, this is it. I took this trade here because this was what I did. I actually saw this what do you call it? I saw this one here. After putting this my trend line here, it broke out, but I didn't meet it on time here. This was where I met it, so I quickly took a buy here. When I saw that it bounced from this trend line, I started going upward, so I took this trade from this here, from this point, and then it moved. This was where I put my TP, around this area. Yeah, this where I had my TP, which was around this high here. Okay, around this high was where I put my TP. So basically how you do it is that you have to first of all draw your trend line. I'm going to delete all these stuffs here now. Okay, so you have to draw your trend line. The first thing you need to know is how to draw your trend line. You learn how to draw your trend line. If I zoom out, you can see this is the way the market is now. You can view it clearly. You can see everything clearly. This is how the market is. you can see different lows and different highs. So the market is making lows and highs. In this place, you can see here, this is a low here, this is a low, this is a low, this is also a low. You can see the highs here. Okay, so that's it. Higher highs, sorry, lower lows and lower highs, which means this is a downtrend. So we can actually draw a channel here. And our interest is to see price break out of our channel. So what we do is you use your trend line. You take your trend line here, you begin to make your drawing like this. This is it. Take your trend line, begin to make your drawing, then draw this side also. Okay, so this is it. We draw our trend line. That's the first thing you do. After you have drawn your trend line like this, you have gotten your a channel. Okay, this is the resistance area here, while this is the support area. Now I want to see break below or above. Okay, now since it's coming down, we have it as a downtrend. If it breaks above, that's what we are most likely to expect. Even when it breaks above here, then it means the trend has reversed, so we can buy and then ride this trend. You can see what happened there, how it broke here and moved on. I actually didn't meet it on time here, but this is where I met it and I bought. Now when you buy after seeing your breakout, most times I wait to see a retest of the breakout, especially when I get the breakout at a higher time frame. But this one is 1 minute time frame. Okay, so when I get the breakout at a higher time frame, maybe 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes time frame, I would like to see a retest. But here it was the 1 minute time frame, and again by the time I came, it has already formed this this higher high here, lower low. It broke it as well, formed another higher high. See, so okay, when I saw it, I quickly entered. I already got my confirmation that this was the direction has reversed, the trend has changed. So that was why I entered this trade here quickly, and you can see what happened. Now I knew that from my experience, when I enter the previous high is usually my take profit. Okay, so that was why I put my TP here and I waited for it to move to this point. You can see, although after it hit my TP and reversed, it still continued going up, formed another high before it started descending. Okay, so but this was the safest place to put my TP. You can see it. Now if I had decided to keep watching the market to see what's happening and then put my trend line again, you see I would have also joined this other reversal, because look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. You can see what happened here. It also broke out this here. Yep, look at it. You see, it also broke out this one at this point. Let me zoom in a little. You can see what happened there. It clearly broke out here, and as we can see, it also gave us a clear retest. When it broke out here, this was a clear change of what do you call it, a clear change of trend. We had two formations here. Look at this also. It gave us a double top here. Okay, look at it. It gave us a double top here. To me, this is what I need to see. So once I see something like this, it is clear to me. Look at it. So you would have entered it at this point, and you can see what happened. you can see how um, it moves, and this exactly this point would have been this would have been the TP here. Price is still coming here. This is where the TP would have been. Okay, so this works seriously. Look at it here again. Okay, look at it, lower lows and lower highs. Then you place your trend line here and then waiting for a breakout to the upside like this. Once you see the breakout and the pullback, that's where you make your entry. And then you can see this. Wow, you can see what happened here, guys. Look at what happened here. You can see this is jump index. So you can see the jump here, how it's jumped here. The same thing, we had a jump here like a spike. So that is it. It's always jump to this direction and it's targeting this point here, this our low here. That's where it's targeting. So this is how this strategy works, guys. It's superb. It's so powerful, guys. It's so powerful. If you understand this strategy, you will make profits from it. So if you have any question about it, if you have anything you don't understand, comment on the comment box, post the comment section and drop a comment. Let me see it and I will answer immediately. The same thing, we had a jump here like a spike. So that is it. It's always jump to this direction and it's targeting this point here, this our low here. That's where it's targeting. So this is how this strategy works, guys. Okay, so I need to check other charts. I want to see if I'm going to see any opportunity. Understand the strategy. Then I might. Oh man, this would have been a good one anyways, but this one has resumed already. This is the 5 minutes time frame. This is where we would have entered. You can see the breakout was here, and this would have been the right place to enter the trade. Okay, this would have been the right place to enter the trade here. But this is where the breakout happened. But we already missed out of this one. This is jump 25. So I need to check that chart. I want to see if I'm going to see any opportunity. This is jump 25. This is where we would have entered. You can see the breakout was here, and this would have been the right place to enter the trade. Okay, this would have been the right place to enter the trade here. So this is where the breakout happened. So yeah, let me check volatility 75 index. Let me check volatility 75 index. You can see this breakout has happened already, but what I need to find is a pullback, a retracement. So this one has happened already, and this was the breakout here. Missed opportunity. Okay, so I wish I can see a pullback. This pullback happened already, and this pullback has happened already and it has resumed. So we would have also taken advantage of this one, but it has already happened. I would have taken something like this. Okay, so but this one has continued already. Okay, so but let's look for another one. This is already running also. Can't find any trend line break now. This one has already happened, broke out and moved on. So we already missed this one. This is another place we have been able to enter, but we also missed it. Okay, I have to keep searching for opportunities. That's how we trade it. That's how we use this strategy. How to find opportunities. This is step index, and can't really see any opportunity here. Can't really see any opportunity on this one. Okay, it has already passed. This would have also been it here, but we have missed this already. We have missed this one already. We missed it there. We missed it here also. So okay, we can't make any entry now. We can't make any entry now. Okay, I think I have to keep this one pending this V75 first. V75 1S index, so I have to keep my trend line here and wait till I see the breakouts in this one. I have to wait patiently until I see the breakout in this one. So guys, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. This is how I do it. Sometimes you come to the market, you won't find any opportunity. Everything has already happened and you can't find anything else. Excuse me. So you have to wait. You have to wait. Just mark up your chart and take your time. Wait for it. Relax. Wait for it until it gives you some confirmation, some reason to enter the market, because you have to see a reason. You have to have a reason for making your entry. You have to have a reason for making your entry. Don't just enter anyhow. You have to have a reason. Here I have to find a breakout here and probably retest either this way or this way. Okay, so when I see that, I will buy or sell depending on where I see the breakout. So this one is still running, and we can't make any entry again for now until it completes this pattern. We can't make any entry on this one until it completes this pattern. So that's how it is, guys. I just hope you guys understand the strategy. Just hope you guys understand the strategy so that you'll be able to use it anytime and any day. Because okay, let me check jump 100 if you are gonna see anything. Let me check if you are gonna see anything. So I want to take a live trade, but I haven't seen anything yet. I haven't seen anything yet. Okay, I haven't seen anything. I want to take a live trade using this strategy. Okay, I need to take a live trade using this strategy. I need to take a live trade using this strategy, but I haven't. Okay, so I need to like wait to see price breakout of um, this channel here. Need to find price breakout of this side or this side. Okay, so if peradventure price breaks out from this area here, this will be my TP. This will be my TP. Why this might be my first TP here? Okay, this might be my first TP. Why this will be the last TP here? That's how it works. Okay, so that's it. So let's just wait. Let's keep searching for more. If we find any other one, let me see. Jump 10. I think I've not seen that one. Let me see jump 10. Let me see jump 10. Okay, seems something is happening here. Jump 10. Okay, jump 10. Okay, we have something here. I don't know if price is gonna return to this level. We might even trade this trend line, but okay. When price breaks out of this one here, I might also enter as well. When price breaks out at this point and retest it, I might enter. Meanwhile, this is not too valid. This is not going to be too valid even. Okay, so no, this doesn't fit in. Oh shit. Okay. Let me go to the lower time frame. Yeah. Okay. I think this one is good. Okay, if price breaks below this one, I have to enter. I want to see price break below this. Price breaks below this, I have to enter and take the trade up to this trend line. Okay, so this is it. I'm also waiting for this one. I have to also wait for it. Yeah, I have to also wait for it. So I have to also wait for it. I have to also wait for it. You can see how it happened here actually. This is it. This is where this is a trend line here. Would have followed. This is where price broke through here. Price actually broke through here, and then we started buying. So if we had met it here, we would have joined the trend, or missed it. Okay, so we have to wait for another opportunity to buy. So when price comes back here, it might just bounce here and start going, but it might still break it. If it breaks through it, then it's time we will sell up to this point. Or if it bounces on it and starts going back, we will buy. Okay, so this is it. That's how it works. It's as simple as that, guys. Okay, let's check another chart if you're going to see any opportunity. $300. Okay, boom and crash 300. crash 300. Boom, boom, 300 has been buying massively, and wow, boom, 300 has been buying massively. Custom. Boom, 300 has been buying massively. So these are breakout points that would have been able to join the market, but we missed it all. This is the main point where we would have joined the trend. This is it, but we missed it. This is the main point where we would have been able to join. We however missed this one. Okay, nevertheless we have to find another point to enter. You can just I don't just enter in this kind of place, because at this point you can't really be sure what they are going to do from here. So I don't really enter from this kind of place. When I catch it from here, good. When I catch it from here, so good. Or here, so these are the right places to have entered. Or even here, this one, if you go to lower time frame, would have found it good enough to join. This is it. If we zoom in, would have also been able to at least join this highs and wait for a breakout. This is it. I found this breakout and blip and join. So but we can't join here. No, these places we can't. Okay. So let's check. Boom, crash 300. Okay, so crash 300. I think I'm actually getting setups which I may not enter now, but we enter later once they are complete. Okay, so once I see this breakout here, I'll enter. This one is the one we have followed, so but we missed it. But when I find the breakout here, when we break out from here, we'll go the opposite direction. Okay, so this is it. This is it. I want to I think I have this kind of formation here. Yeah, okay, so when I find now when I find the breakout, I will enter this one. This is the 1 hour time frame, so it should be significant here. Yeah, when I find the breakout around this area, I should be able to take advantage of it. Yeah, I can even look at it from here. Can even look at it from here. Yeah, so when I see it break out from here, I think I should be able to enter a position briefly. Yep, and join the downtrend. This is it. When I see breakout here, I'm going to enter this trade. Okay, yeah, so that's is it. I'm going to wait for these ones. Let's see VIX 50, volatility 50, VIX 50. Okay, nothing really. It's not a good point to make any entry for me. For me, this is not a good point to make any entry. Okay. Probably when price gets to this point, I'll have to observe how it moves. I have to observe the reaction and if I should consider a sell. I think I have this imbalance here. Okay. I'll just have to wait more. I might find a reason to take a sell here. Within this region, I might find a reason to sell. So that's how it works. You have to make sure that you clearly see what you are looking for in the market before you make any entry. Okay, VIX 100. Let's see VIX 100 also. Let's see VIX 100. Just so we find a good setup in this one. Doesn't seem to be one. There doesn't seem to be one. It's just dipping. This one is just dipping. No actual signal here. No actual signal here to whether to enter a buy or sell. No actual signal here. You have to carefully look at these things, and you have to avoid the temptation of jumping into trades that you're not sure of, to avoid losing your money. Okay, so this is where we would have entered this one, and this one is where we would have entered this one as well. This is where we would have entered this one. This one was very okay. You can see the retests here. It was very accurate and very clear even here. So this is where we would have entered this one, but now we don't have such signal and we can't make any entry now. Personally, that's how I do, that's how I trade. If I don't find my entry confirmations, I will not enter. If I don't find my entry confirmations, I will not enter, because it's better not to trade than to lose. For me, it's better not to trade than to lose. VIX 10, have I checked VIX 10 before? Let's see. Let's see. What is all this plenty all about? I think we have something like this. This one just resumed now. We have something like this. Let me scale down to lower time frame. We have something like this, but this one has started already. I think it's still okay to join this one. It's still early enough to join this trade, I think. So it's still early enough to join this trade, so I'm actually going to join it. I'm actually going to join this one. Yep, and this will be my TP here. I have this TP here and here. This is where I will have my TP. Okay, so it's still okay to join this one. Let me quickly join. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so entering here, I think. Yeah, this will be my stop loss. This will be my stop loss. This will be my stop loss. This is a small account. Okay, this would have been the right entry actually. This would have been the right entry, but I think if it hits the stop loss, it's still okay. If it goes back here, if it hits the stop loss, it's still okay. We got our shot. Well, we'll have to cut our loss short anyways. So at this point, yeah, this I think this should be the first take profit here. Yeah, this should be the first take profit. Yeah, so let me bring it here. This is the first take profit, while this here should be my second take profit. Yeah, if I add up to 3, I will bring the last one here. Okay, but it's okay at the point where it is. It's okay at the point where it is. So we are watching it. Yeah, the stop loss is even tight. The stop loss is tight enough, so the losses won't be much. I think let me take my third. Let me make my third entry. I'm making the third. Okay, let me wait. If peradventure have a drawdown up to this point, I think I'm going to enter a third one, because this should have been the right entry. Okay, yeah, exactly here. Should be this candlestick should have been the right entry. Yep. Yeah, this. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's watch how it goes. This is a small account. And we're going to grow it. think it's still okay to join this one. It's still early enough to join this trade. I think so. Early enough to join this trade, so I'm actually going to join it. I'm actually going to join this one. Yeah, and this will be my TP here. I have this TP here. You can see what's happened here. So it just got here. Started making this pullback. I can see the pressure which is coming down. So this should happen. And I've also joined. Well, that doesn't mean it cannot see it as stop loss. It can see it as stop loss. But you can see how it reacted at this point. We actually entered late. But yeah, you still have that's why you have to manage your risk. You risk what you can actually lose. And I'm sure this is not going to be more than 2 USD. Okay. This is small accounts. Okay. This would have been the right entry actually. This would have been the right entry. So let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes. Stop loss is still okay. If it goes back here, if it hits the stop loss is still okay. But we'll have to cut our loss short anyways. So at this point, yeah. This I think this should be the first day profit here. Yeah. This should be the first day profit. Yeah. So we actually used a very small lot size. While this here, we actually used a very tiny lot size. So the effect is going to be very small, just one. Okay. So from this we can see that it's making higher highs and lower lows. I mean higher lows. Okay. So but we still have to hold and see what happens. We got some drawdown already. It's a very small account. From 10 and I'm still growing it with this strategy. Okay, with this strategy we'll build it. This might stand. This might hit TP SL actually. There's a high probability of hitting SL in this one. There's a high probability of it hitting our SL because from what I can see here, yeah, it might hit the SL. From what I see here, it might hit the SL. But look at it, this was a breakout at this point, a retest, so someone should have even bought here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think it's better to break even in this one. It's best to break even as the entry is wrong. This should have the entry is wrong. The entry is wrong. Okay, this entry is wrong.
They're not your children, so please stop. You're making me feel uncomfortable. See, Aisha, if anybody is supposed to be complaining here, it's me.
Anyway, from this seems to be a retest. Yep, I think I should buy it. I should save this one. This is a sell. This is a sell, guys. This one is good for selling. Okay, oh, but should have gone up here. There's more for it to go up here. Okay, so this is 75s, 1s rather. So on the 75 1s, my SL should be somewhere here. While my TP should be somewhere here. Yeah, so that's it. Where my TP should be. Okay, so we are watching these things play out, so we keep watching to see them. I need to rest. Yeah, let it just play out the way it wants. I need to go and rest. And to allow it go anyhow it wants to go. For me, it's either TP or SL. That's it for me. It's either TP or SL. One must happen. This one might come back to this point. Might come back. And I hope to see it when it comes back here. When it comes back here, I want to sell again. I want to sell again once it comes back, because I entered this one with a very small lot size, very significant. Send that TP on SL. That's the clean sheet.
I'm being dragged this without my express permission. So, plus, the only reason I'm doing this is because I have to print and do all the way. Alright. Thanks to hide yourself. Have you noticed? Oh wow, coming from a lady that I practically gave birth when her family moved into our neighborhood. Hey, wonder shall never end. Children will never end. Yeah, no respect. Hey, respect for who? For who? You should be calling me auntie. I didn't get that. Oh, what? Nothing in this world did that ever happen. We don't even speak about it. Okay. I shall just what's up? What's up? What's up? I shall. You have to back now. I shall.
Okay. Oh shit, wrong. No. See that candle? Very bad. It's up. It's going up. It's going up with this. All I'm seeing here seems to be going up. Seems to be going up. I'll be back. Let me go get some things done. This one is not tempting around 20 now.
Yes. Go and make it through Mongo.